nakakatuwa syempre, tumaas na ang budget ng FTCP. Pero in general, malaki na slash sa budget for arts and culture.
Totoo. Totoo. Lalo na sa CCP.
So how true?
Oo. So ang tanong niya, how true, alam ko na, unahan ko na, how true na wala ng Cinemalaya this year. Di ba yun ang gusto mong tanong?
Paki-answer once and for all.
Meron pa this year. Meron pa this year. Mag-uusap pa ang Board of Trustees ng Cinemalaya with Mr. Cojuangco and Luis Villan. Meron pa assured yung this year. Assured yung this year.
So pwedeng wala na.
Assured this year.
Kaya ba mo ba hindi nag-announce ng call for entries?
Assured not this year.
Pero pwede ba ma-save? Direct?
Yeah.
So, direct, paano po kaya masisip? Halimbawa, may private
Yeah.
companies or, agencies or major sponsors,
Yeah.
pwede pong kausapin.
Yeah, I mean, I think that is that is the alternative being given by Mr. Cojuangco and Ms. Villan. Okay, that they're looking for private. They will be looking for private in the event na hindi na talaga masuportahan ng CCP. Okay? Sabi nila, alam ko na next question nyo, kaya ba ng FDCP? Hindi namin kaya yung kalagay. Dahil medyo may kalakihan. We can just give support dun sa mga napiling films sa that we cannot handle. At saka, we cannot support a specific festival because we have to be fair to all the other festivals which ask for support.
Although ano po ang personal yung damdamin doon, direct, bilang naging matagal po kayo kasapi ng cinema.
Nasa shoutout ko yun sa Facebook. Saddened, heartbroken.
This is the end of something great.
This is the end of something great, but hindi siya na-save. Mel, Chris Martinez, Lau Fajardo, Dan Villegas, Antoinette Hadaone, Sigrid Bernardo. These are all children of Cinemalaya. How can we put an end to something as important as that? How can we not say that it is part of Philippine culture? And how can we possibly imagine Philippine culture without cinema?
So, direct, kung meron po kayong personal na panawagan or call or suggestion or whatever, ano po ito?
Punta ka, Mel, baka pag-usabi. Now, we need Cinemalaya. We need Cinemalaya. It has been around for 20 years, and it would not have lasted 20 years if it were not important to the development not only of Philippine cinema, but the evolution of Philippine culture. I think we should look at cinema as an artifact of every phase of Philippine history. And we should give due respect to that. I worked with Cinemalaya for so many years. It's very close to my heart. And it will completely devastate me if it should come to an end. Ano na mangyayari sa future filmmakers natin?